fellow travelers, and in this video I am taking you inside our apartment here in Philly. We'll also check out the amenities and so much more. Hey, welcome back to Angel's Video Diary, and I help fellow travelers overcome the difficulties of planning a trip by giving a list of things to do in a city. I also share my personal style here. Now let's go inside our Philadelphia apartment. So this is a studio apartment and we got the fully furnished one. And what's good about getting a fully furnished apartment is that everything is provided for you, from the furnitures to silverware to even the bath and kitchen products. So the first feature that I'm going to show you is the living room. So this is the living room, and I love that they were able to fit all these furnitures right here. And this couch, this is very comfortable, and I love the color, and the size is also perfect, and it has that elegant look, which is nice. And there's also the side table. I love that you can put things under the table and also on top of it. And there's also this coffee table, which looks fancy. It's actually very heavy. So this area right here is where we would usually work out. Well, to make space, what we would do is that we would move this coffee table to the side. While moving it, it feels like you're already working out, you know? And also the gold, white, and gray colors of the furnitures, including the carpet, they all complement each other. And now, well, let's check out the bedroom. What you're looking at right now is a portion of the living room and the bedroom. And this is a king-size bed, and the mattress is firm and very comfortable to sleep on. And I also love the bed frame. Yes, it's so simple. It's an upholstered bed frame. The color looks amazing as well. I love it. You know, whenever I see a furniture, it always reminds me of my family back home in the Philippines because we have a family furniture business. It was founded by my late grandfather, and then my dad, he was able to handle the business for a few years. Now it's my uncle who manages the business, and they can actually make any furniture you want. So if you want furnitures done, you should definitely check out their Instagram account. I'll add the link in the description below. So go ahead and check them out. All right. And also my sister, she's actually an interior designer. So I'm going to be sharing her work real soon. And what else? Oh, the pillows. They're not very comfortable. So I always get a stiff neck the next day. It went on for 7 days and I realized it was the pillows that's causing it. So I had to buy a pillow that's comfortable, that's good for my neck, and that's something that wouldn't hurt me. So that's it. And now we're gonna check out the dining area. All right, so this is the dining area. It has a very simple setup. You have this white oval table. You have the leather brown chair, and these chairs are very comfortable, and I can practically sit on it all day long. And it has a very nice view of the city of Philadelphia. Oh, there's also the side table over there. That's the bed. You have a nice lamp, same lamp as the one in the living room. And you have a drawer where you can put your stuff. And this side table is actually pretty nice because it has an outlet where you can charge your laptop or your cell phones or whatever you want to charge. Now let's talk about this writing desk. And originally it was in the living room, and honestly I did not expect them to add this writing desk in the apartment. And when I saw it, I was surprised, but mostly I was happy. And I moved it here because I didn't want to just stare at the wall. You know, I wanted to have a nice view while I work. I also wanted to see what's going on outside, which will give me inspiration to finish my work. And that's one of the things I love about this apartment. You get that nice view of the city, and also the apartment is light and airy, and that's all because of these windows. You get that natural light coming inside the apartment, and I love waking up every morning. I feel energized because the apartment is well lit. You get that cheerful and happy vibe. And it's nice to have that kind of environment every day. So right behind me is the kitchen. And before we go over there, I just want to talk about this. So we bought this insulated door curtain because, as you can see, this is just one big room. Although the kitchen is kind of separated from the other parts of the room, this is still open, you know. So I wanted to prevent the smell and smoke from cooking from spreading throughout the apartment. And this actually works. I'm going to try to add the link in the description below in case you have a similar apartment, in case you want to buy this. And welcome to the kitchen. When I saw the photos online, I thought it was gonna be small, but then it's actually bigger than expected. So it has a minimalist design, and you have spacious cabinets where you can put all sorts of things. And then you have granite countertops, and of course, you have everything you need. Dishwasher, the oven, there's the microwave, there's also a refrigerator. They even provided a trash bin and so much more, like pots, glassware, everything. Like I said, they will provide for you. That's why it's always nice to get a fully furnished apartment. So behind this door, you'll find the washer and the dryer. So let's go and open it. We actually picked an apartment where there is a washer and a dryer because our previous apartment in California and New York, even in Boston, we didn't have a washer and a dryer in the unit. And so it was pretty hard. You have to go outside and wash your clothes. Now, it's very convenient. It's inside the unit, so we can wash our clothes whenever we want. So, which is pretty nice. And if you enjoyed watching this video, consider subscribing and make sure you click the bell to be notified whenever I would post a new content. So welcome to the bathroom. I don't know if it's kind of loud in here because of the exhaust fan, but yeah, this is it. This is the bathroom, and it's well lit, it's nice, and as long as it's nice and clean, I'm all good. You have, you know, the basic things you need in the shower, in the bathroom, which is the shower. You have the sink to brush your teeth. So that's it. All right, so this door right here is the closet, and you can practically put like a twin bed inside. It is huge. So let's check it out. And of course, this is where we put our things like our luggages, coats, shoes, you know, pretty much our stuff that needs to be stored in one place. And also, they didn't provide a full-size mirror here, so I bought one at Target for $11. And what else? Oh, we didn't have to worry about bringing our television because they'll provide that for you as well. And there's also this wardrobe where we put all of our things, mostly our clothes actually. And then we also bought this portable door lock because this apartment doesn't have that extra lock or bolt. And as you can see, anyone who has access to this unit, they can easily get in. Let's say the maintenance guy. And imagine if I was changing, I would be freaking out. That's why we bought this portable door lock. And now let's check out the amenities. Let's start off with the lobby. There's also a fitness center and yoga, but I believe you have to call and schedule an appointment. Then let's go to the business center. They also have a pretty cool mail room and package locker. And they have a Starbucks coffee room. Now let's check out the billiards room. There's also a resident lounge with Wi-Fi. They're actually pet friendly here, so they have a dog park. Summer is here, and it's the perfect time to enjoy the outdoors. And they actually have an outdoor grill and lounge area. And there's also a parking garage. And it's a walking distance to parks, museums, grocery stores, and so much more. So So what do you think? Hey, let me know in the comment box below, and if you enjoyed watching this video, hit the like and share button, or consider subscribing and make sure you click the bell to be notified whenever I would post a new content. And let's connect on social media. That's at Angel's Video Diary. Subscribe to my blog, mypurplepages.com. Hey, remember, continue to spread positivity, and I'll see you next time. And here's what's next on the vlog. Summer is finally here, and in this video, we're visiting different parks, gardens, and green spaces around Philly.